Nature is our home. It is the place where we feel most comfortable. We breathe the fresh air and feel the sun. We listen to the singing of the birds and the rushing of the river. We admire the colors of the flowers and the shapes of the clouds. We are grateful for the beauty and diversity of nature. Nature is our teacher. It is the place where we can learn a lot. We observe the cycles of the seasons and the stars. We recognize the laws of physics. In biology, we understand the connections between ecosystems and evolution. We are curious about the mysteries and wonders of nature. Nature is our friend. It is the place where we are happy. We play with the animals and the plants. We share our joy and our sadness. We respect our differences and our similarities. We are connected to the love and harmony of nature. Nature is our treasure. It is the place where we are rich. We find the gems and the pearls. We value food and medicine. We use the energy and the resources. We are responsible for caring for and protecting nature. Nature is our mirror. It is the place where we see ourselves. We reflect on our strengths and our weaknesses. We recognize our mistakes and our successes. We improve our skills and our talents. We are inspired by creativity and the beauty of nature. Nature is our heart. It is the place where we love. We feel the friendship and the affection. We give the warmth and the kindness. We receive joy and peace. We are filled with the love and harmony of nature.